Okay, I think we're on. Just gonna fill this up with oil, 10W30, and show you what's been done with the bypass, and then we're going to try and start it up. A couple things that could happen here. I was early on trying to retrieve a part from the valves that fell down the cylinder head into the oil sump, so I started unscrewing the actual stator motor from the combustion motor, and then I changed my mind and retightened them. So if I didn't do that right, broke the gaskets or whatever, so we might have a leak, oil leak. Another thing is I messed around with the valves, most likely unnecessary. I may have swapped the rocker arms and got the wrong gapping, but I guess I just don't have the patience to get on the phone with DUROMAX and try and get the proper not spark plug gaps, the rocker arm valve gaps. So I just tried to guess, put them back, and hope for the best. If it starts acting up, won't start, then I'll have to go try and talk to DUROMAX. Email them doesn't work because I haven't got a response off one of my emails. I've sent them about 5 emails, maybe 3 emails, I don't know, but I didn't get a response off any of them, the technical support emails. I don't know. I haven't really figured out this GoPro either. I tried to make a seamless video last time on the valves, but it broke it up into 4 different videos. I like the graphics on this GoPro, but my phone, my Motorola phone, actually is easier to work. I can pause it and get to the step and then just start recording right off where I left off. This one I don't know how to do that type of thing with. I think if I stop it, I'll actually make end that video and start another video. So right now we're at 248, still going. Every once in a while the screen goes black, which I think is just a energy saver. So, but I don't know why last time it split it up into 4 videos. Eventually I'll figure it out. So I'm getting this oil strainer cleaned out. I'll be with you in a second. You can. There's also not going to be any editing by me on this because I'm not that skilled yet. So you're going to be the editors. You're going to click that slide bar underneath and skip on over and watch the visual for anything new happening. Okay. It's closed off. I'm going to put 1.2 liters of oil in there. According to the manual, it takes 1.2 liters of 10W30. I'm going to see if you guys see this. bigger hole. So this is 1 liter here, so fill it to the top is 1 liter. And that hole's kind of hard to get to, so damn it. Crap, let's get this out of the way. Oh, damn it. There we go. Now I can open this up. Okay, so that's 1 liter in there. Now how do I get 0.2? 200 milliliters, I guess, 0.2. So I got, make sure it's locked. It's locked. Let's see, 0.2, 200 milliliters right there. Open the valve. Okay, I got pretty much close to 2 liters in there. Seems like it brings us right up to the top there. I'll give you a closer look when I get back. I'm gonna get the oil off my fingers.